Hello, in this video we're going to have a look and see how a site is created in Scenable, how a page is created. And you will see that each page is made from a series of different blocks. I call them slices, and that each slice is stacked together to actually create the page. We can see the slices because they're differentiated between these two little blue buttons with a plus on it. So this is one slice here, that's another slice here. So I've got one slice which says the cake shop, and then the slice underneath says that it's exquisite cakes for every occasion. Let's just move down a little bit and we'll see that this here, the section with the photo and the text, this is another slice, and underneath here is another slice. We can tell that. You can see that we've got the blue section at the top and at the bottom to identify that this is a slice. So this is a very flexible way of creating a site or a page, because it just means that we stack all these different slices on top of each other, and we can edit them and we can move them around. So let's just go back up so that we can see how these look. So we also have the ability to edit the setting for each different slice as well, and that's what we've got here. So for example, this would move the slice down or up, so you can rearrange how they look on your page. And you can duplicate this, so if you wanted to, maybe I want to keep the same format in the next section down, I could duplicate this slice and then just change the text or the image. And then if I click on here, you'll see that I have different settings that I can set, and these are specific to this particular slice or section. And the really cool thing about this is it gives you complete flexibility over how everything looks on your site. So I'm providing you, let's say, with the Get to Know Me site template, but that doesn't mean to say that you have to have the same colors or the same order, or that the text needs to be the same or anything. That you can change absolutely everything, every slice that we use to create this page. Now, the different slices serve different functions. So this one here, if you remember when we clicked here, this is a slideshow. I'm using the slideshow slice settings to create this particular element of the page, but I'm just using a single image here. So while it's a slideshow and I could have several different images, I'm just using a single image, so it's just fixed. And let's move down and have a look and see how another one looks. This here, for example, this is a gallery because I'm presenting more than one image in this particular section or slice. And you will see that I can just change. So I got 3 items in a row, 2 items in a row, 4 items in a row. I can change the space between lines, as it so happens that I've only got, space between items. So I can make that so they're more spaced out or less spaced out. This is the item height. So again, that we can zoom right in by changing the height. Let's go back to where we were. So the different settings that we have for each specific slice will depend on the function of it. So let's go down. We've got here, we've got the form, and we'll click in item settings. I'm not going to go into all the different settings now because we'll look at those in more detail later. I just want to give you a flavour for how the different elements fit together within the page and how the slices fit together to create the overall page layout. Thank you.